Hello everyone. Well, I'm just going to give you a little bit of information about the Signalink USB. I posted a video showing me putting in the header plug and just showing you a little bit of what it's like inside. So I just thought I would show you what it's actually like now that it's connected up. I'm using an FT897 and it's on 14.070, the PSK31 digital subband. Now, just show you what's happening. Nothing. There's a few PSK31 signals, very, very weak, but you can just hear something if you listen very carefully. Now, here's the Signalink. As you can see, it's a nice, neat little package, and it works really, really well. I'm really, really pleased with it. Okay, now we're just going to take you to the back of the FT897. Excuse any jerkiness that I'm carrying a tripod around. Here's the other part of the digital station, the notebook PC. Oh, just something I did want to show you. It's pretty important. You probably can't see it very well, but if you have a look on the screen, what you have to make sure you do is, with the Signalink, there is this speaker volume here. Make sure that's all the way up, and to adjust the sort of coarse volume for the Signalink, use the wave slider. They recommend putting it about halfway up to start, and that seems to work pretty well for me as well. Then after that, once you've adjusted that, then the transmit audio is just adjusted using this TX potentiometer. Receive audio is adjusted using the RX, and the delay is how long after you finish transmitting the push to talk will drop. So there we go. Okay, now we'll just move around the back. And I'll just show you the connection here. Oh, that's not it, it's a network connection. Sorry. There's the Signalink connection here. I'm using a hub. It's a powered hub, but the Signalink will work fine, as far as I can tell, on a unpowered normal USB port. The only reason I'm using this powered hub is because this PC, all the USB ports blew, so I'm just using one of these PCM-CIA type of USB hubs, ports, and it doesn't provide all that much power. Okay, now here's the back of the FT897, and there's the Signalink, and you can see that the USB port just plugs in there. This cable here plugs into the radio, and then just goes straight into this port here. Now this is the data port of the FT897. The port next to it on the FT897 is the CAT linear port. You don't want to plug it in there. I don't think the plug will fit in, but if you plug it in there accidentally, you could cause, mayhem and smoke, so I wouldn't plug it in there. But it is labelled data, so it makes a lot of sense. So that's all it is. So basically, from the radio socket through this into the data port of the FT897, and this plugs into the USB port of your computer. You're done. Now, the FT817 has the same data port, so you can use this with the FT817 exactly in the same way. I can't talk about other radios, but I know a lot of radios now do use a 6-pin type of data port. I think the pinouts are fairly similar, so check with the radio's manual, but I think you'll find they're all pretty close. Well, that's about it on that one. I'll just go back to the front again. And we'll see if there's any more movement going on here. Just excuse me while I adjust it up a bit. I'll turn up the volume. Sounds like there's something going on. I'm going to kick off DM780, which is the program I use most of the time, and there you can see the Signalink providing the drive. By adjusting the receive, you can make the waterfall pattern less or more. Okay. Oh, I just noticed we see there's YU7AU. I think that's in Yugoslavia, but I'm not sure. There's also F4FFH. Now the time is now 6 minutes past 9 in the morning in Australia, so receiving both France and I think it's Yugoslavia is not too bad. If we have a look, I think you'll find that's grey line. Yep, see the grey line there? And Australia's not too far away. So most of the propagation that I actually work is grey line stuff. Okay, well we might be running low on time, so I hope that was of some use to you. Good DX, and cheers for now.